This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Rear light cluster bulbs renewal. Press the button under the Ford logo and raise the tailgate. With the tailgate open, remove the upper crosshead screw in the tailgate aperture which secures the light unit. Then remove the lower crosshead screw. Pull away the boot trim for access to the rear of the light unit. Disconnect the wiring connector. Reach in behind the light unit and unscrew the plastic wing nut which secures the light unit to the body. The light unit can now be removed from the vehicle. To remove the stop and tail lamp bayonet bulb, turn the bulb holder anti-clockwise to release it from the light unit. Press and turn the bulb anti-clockwise to withdraw it from the bulb holder. Fit the new stop and tail lamp bulb by turning it clockwise in the bulb holder. Then refit the bulb holder to the light unit by inserting it and turning it clockwise. To remove the capless reversing lamp bulb, turn the holder anti-clockwise to withdraw it from the light unit. The bulb simply pulls from the bulb holder. To replace the reversing lamp bulb, push the new bulb into the bulb holder and secure the bulb holder to the light unit by turning it clockwise. To remove the indicator bulb, rotate the bulb holder anti-clockwise to withdraw it from the light unit. Then turn the bayonet bulb anti-clockwise to remove it from the bulb holder. To fit a new indicator bulb, fit the bulb to the bulb holder by turning to clockwise. Then turn the bulb holder clockwise to secure it to the light unit. The lamp unit can now be refitted to the vehicle, engaging the two pegs on the rear with holes in the vehicle body. Refit the wing nut and tighten it securely. Reconnect the wiring connector. Fit the load space trim back into position, then re-engage the rubber seal in the tailgate aperture. Refit the upper crosshead screw and tighten it securely, followed by the lower crosshead screw. Check that all bulbs operate correctly before driving the vehicle. Close the tailgate.